I'm the scary witch of grade 1, and I've bought you some spooky, scary characters in this bag. Would you like to see those? Happy Halloween, everyone!
We have Aniket.
Oh, yeah! Scary vampire, come to suck your blood. Ooh, Arna, this is a cute little one. What have you become?
I think I'm the only cute one in the Halloween party, and I'm a bunny. I am the scary construction builder.
Ooh, high five, partner. Oh my God, look at that scary Aslan, everyone. Who's that? Who are you?
I'm a monster. I am a witch.
Same page, Kushi.
I am a spooky mouse.
Spooky mouse. Okay.
What is the message for Halloween? Are we doing this to actually scare good people or evil spirits?
Evil spirits.
Evil spirits. And what are some of the evil spirits that we have? We also have some evil spirit in us. What is that? Laziness. For example, laziness is an evil spirit. What else? Huh?
Bad habits.
Bad habits. All right.
And sleepiness.
Tara is telling anger.
Anger. Very good. And what else?
Sleepiness.
Okay.
Eating lot of candy.
Eating a lot of candy. All right. Unhealthy eating habits. Yeah. So what are you going to do? Are you going to shoo away all the evil spirits in you today?
Yes.
On Halloween day?
Bye, jack-o'-lantern.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So we are going to shoo away all our evil spirits. And that's the message of Halloween. All right?